Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to add div tag into your HTML project. You can see here is the video and the picture is rightly in front of these two. So how are you going to use the div, and we can organize this video and image into by very good sections. So how are you going to do it? We can simply go for the Sublime, and then here you can simply add the div. You can simply add it and going to close it. Div. So we just need to close it. For that we can simply select div, and that's it. You can see as you can see that we simply add the div. If we just make it like this, as you can see, we added the div open quote and then close tag, open tag and the close tag. And by this, if you just save it, and now if you just refresh it, as you can see, the video is top of this picture. You can simply create rows by using a div in HTML. So you can simply add the div into the video section. Also, you can use into the image section. So yeah, this is how we can simply add the div into your HTML project. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.